If you're creating webinars, YouTube videos, video sales letters, VSLs, or even free content for your audience, you already know how time-consuming and expensive the whole process can be. Subscribe us for more. You also know that without this content, you're not going to get the attention and sales your business needs to stay above water. That's why I'm always on the lookout for new tools that can automate as much of the hard work as possible, especially the design and creative stuff which I'm not great with, and I don't want to outsource because it costs so much money. Recently, I discovered a brand new tool called Prezentar that promises to remove a lot of the hard work and costs of creating videos, webinars, online video courses, and other presentation-based content. It seems that Prezentar has found a gap in the market. In a world of complicated design tools that come with expensive monthly fees, Prezentar allows you to quickly dive in, tweak an existing template and hit publish, to create modern presentations in minutes, not hours or days. But does it work? And is it better, faster, easier, and more affordable than other video and presentation creation tools? Let's find out in this brutally honest Prezentar review. What excites me about Prezentar? To understand the value of Prezentar, we should look at the problem with other video tools. Most are too expensive. Many software companies are moving to the monthly or yearly subscription model, which can add up to thousands of dollars for a tool that should cost less than $100. Then there are the steep learning curves. Subscribe us for more. Even your bog-standard tools like PowerPoint require quite a lot of mastering before you can create truly attention-grabbing, professional-level presentations that people will actually watch to the end. And if you're going to use a template from PowerPoint to save time, you're left with some pretty outdated, cheesy-looking slides to work with. Other tools for creating videos and presentations are great but very gimmicky. Doodle animation tools can work well sometimes, but they're not ideal for every scenario, like creating a course or tutorial video, for example. Then there are tools like Prezi which make spinning, swirling, and more animated style presentations, but most people I speak to find it too much and even stomach-turning. While there's a whole slew of easy video tools out there, the problem is that most of them are one-trick ponies. They do one thing well, but if you need to quickly edit your video, create a video that's more instructional, or have options over the style of your video, you're kind of screwed. That's why I love presentation tools so much. They allow you to create anything from. Subscribe us for more. VSLs. Video courses. Simple animated videos. Kinetic text videos. Product demos. You're only limited by your imagination. And they're easy to dive in and edit too. But again, the problem with traditional tools like PowerPoint for creating presentations is they're expensive and basically tired and dated. Enter Prezentar, a brand new tool that makes it easier and more affordable to create modern presentations that cut through the noise, in minutes, not hours. Prezentar is a cloud-based app that allows you to create modern, niche presentations quickly and easily, without steep learning curves, additional plugins, or any crazy design skills. And because it's mostly template-driven, the hard work is already taken care of. You just log in, pick a template, tweak it, then share it with the world. You can also convert it to a video or export it as PDF or HTML too. How Prezentar works. What impressed me about Prezentar is that the whole process of creating a great-looking presentation is so simple, easy, and fast. This is absolutely the main selling point of Prezentar, along with the fact there are no monthly or annual fees. Whoop! Subscribe us for more. To create a presentation, just log in. Select a niche template. Drag, drop point and click to customize it and add your content. Insert professional images, animations, graphics and icons from their expansive stock library, no additional fees. Add your voiceover in a single click, as well as music. Insert branding or watermarks to protect your content from theft. Then tap the Publish button to turn it into a presentation, video, or even a PDF report to build your list. It all happens in minutes, and not a glitch in sight. Pretty good so far, but like every single piece of software ever created, Prezentar is not perfect. If you're an advanced professional designer working for a Fortune 500 client, you might need something a bit more advanced after a while. Saying that, if you're already an expert designer, you'll be using tools like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop anyway. What do you get inside Prezentar? There's tons of stuff to make it fast and easy to create awesome presentations, including subscribe us for more. White heavy checkmark 50 amazing templates, fully customizable. White heavy checkmark custom branding, add your logo in. White heavy checkmark super simple drag and drop editor. White heavy checkmark 500 plus Google fonts. White heavy checkmark 50 plus text and image effects. White heavy checkmark 8,000 plus stock images. White heavy checkmark 250 plus HD slide backgrounds. White heavy checkmark interactive animations. White heavy checkmark audio and music studio. White heavy checkmark online web stock search. White heavy checkmark upload your images. White heavy checkmark save projects in the cloud. White heavy checkmark image crop tool. White heavy checkmark one-click social media sharing. White heavy checkmark share publicly via URL. White heavy checkmark built-in audio recorder, editor, and music studio. White heavy checkmark export to PDF, HTML, and video. White heavy checkmark commercial license, sell services to clients. White heavy checkmark agency website, comes with a portfolio. What can Prezentar be used for? You can use Prezentar to create presentations for white heavy checkmark video courses, Udemy, etc. White heavy checkmark tutorials. White heavy checkmark webinars. White heavy checkmark demonstrations. White heavy checkmark content videos. White heavy checkmark video sales letters, VSLs. White heavy checkmark YouTube videos. White heavy checkmark Facebook videos. White heavy checkmark landing page videos. White heavy checkmark seminars and events. White heavy checkmark pitch decks for investors. White heavy checkmark classrooms or meeting rooms. The bad. There are many upsells, but they're all optional. The good. Fast and easy. No creative skills are needed. Zero learning curve. Super affordable. The amazing. No monthly or annual fees. Templates are awesome. Thousands of dollars of stock images built in. All in one solution, you won't need anything else. What does Prezentar cost? Prezentar is currently available at just $47 during the launch, and will increase to $197 soon. Subscribe us for more. Who created Prezentar? Prezentar was created by multi-million-dollar marketing techpreneur Adil Chowdhury. With over 10 years of experience and thousands of happy customers, Adil knows exactly what marketers need to survive in today's competitive marketplace. He's the platinum creator of bestsellers such as Scribble, Pixel Studio FX, and more. Prezentar fills a huge gap in the market by helping busy, budget-conscious marketers pump out traffic and sales, getting presentations for their tutorials, webinars, courses, VSLs, and YouTube videos, all in minutes from now. Overall verdict. If you're looking for the easiest to use and most powerful presentation software in the world, then Prezentar is for you. If you're a busy person, on a budget, and need to get stunning presentations pumped out fast, for you or your clients, and without blowing wads of cash on stock images or monthly fees, then you can't go wrong with Prezentar. Thanks to the modern, engaging, built-in niche templates, plus the expansive media library and simple point-and-click technology, it has never been so fast or easy to create awesome presentations in minutes. In a world where webinars, videos, and presentations are becoming more and more popular and effective for attracting clicks, leads, and buyers, Prezentar is going to be a useful, time and money-saving tool that will continue to pay for itself over and over again for years to come. I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Media Expert Pro for more.